Hare Krishna everyone. Please open your Sanskrit book, page number 54. So today we are going to do chapter number 14, exercises. Okay, so let's start exercise. Question number 1. Let's see. Norom noro noran, shakham shakhe shakha. Why norom noro noran and shakham shakhe shakha not match? Because it is masculine gender and this one feminine gender. Norom noro noran, shakham shakhe shakha. Now next one, neuter gender. So pustakam pustake pustakani. Next one, gajam. This is also masculine gender. So as same as like norom noro noran, it should be gajam gajo gajan. See, as same as like norom, it should be gajam gajo gajan. Next one, again lota shabdarup. So feminine gender. So like sakham sake sakha, it should be lotam lote lotaha. Sakham sake sakha, lotam lote lotaha. Next one, pustakam pustake pustakani, neuter gender. As same as it will be same. Patram patre patrani. But only this one will be ana, because before letter is toye ropola. Because of this ro, we'll change this no into ana. But this no, before this no, we are not getting any ro, ri, sha, kshya. That's why it should be no. This is called natto vidhan. Okay. And before this we are getting ro phala. That's why it should be ana. Okay. Now see the question number 2. Fill in the blanks with suitable forms of the given words. So those words are given here. This form you have to change and you have to put the suitable one. That means you have to write the proper forms. Okay. Just you have to take and you have to put here. No, not like that. Okay. These are actually the root word. Root word. Okay. You have to put the rules. Ditya vibhakti rules. Then you have to put here. So, Kanna malam kumpati. Okay. Noroho griham gachati. Griham, malam, feminine gender. Ekavachanam, ditya vibhakti. Karmokarok. Vagraha. I change it vagraha. Please add akar visarga because this one khadanti. You know that verb always follow the subject. Verb always follow the subject, not the object. These are the object because it is objective case. Karmo karak. And verb always follow the subject. That's why here is plural form. Now that's why we have to change it to plural. This one wrong. Printing mistake. Okay. Please give akar and visarga. Then it should be plural. Vagraha. Vagraha horinam khadanti. We change into the karmokarak. Okay. Ditya vibhakti. Pustake. Sorry. Shikshike. Pustakam patataha. Pustakam. There also ditya vibhakti. Mitrani satyam vadanti. Satyam also ditya vibhakti. See, mitrani bahuvachanam. But satyam I wrote here ekavachanam. Kishakaha kshetram halati. Kshetram also ekavachanam. You can write ekavachanam, no problem, because verb are following the subject, not the object. So there is no matter you are writing ekavachanam or bahuvachanam. Okay, you just, if ekavachanam is easy or if ekavachanam is suitable for this sentence, you can write ekavachanam. If dvivachan is suitable for this, you can write dvivachanam. No problem. Okay. Now see the question number 3. Question number 3, there is no place making sentence. That's why I wrote in next page. Okay. So you also can write in next page. Go to the next page, and I am telling that you are writing in book. That's why use pencil. Okay, not the pen. So first see, we have to make sentence by Khagan, Patalam, Shukam, Modokani and Balike. I given the Roman number so that you can understand easily. Okay, Khagan, Patalam, Shukam, Modokani, Balike. So let's see. Balakaha Khagan Pashyati. Okay, these are I applied as a কর্মকারক, দ্যাট মিনস দ্বিতীয়া বিভক্তি, দ্যাট মিনস অবজেক্টিভ কেস, দ্যাট মিনস অ্যাকচুয়ালি অবজেক্ট। ওকে, বালকः খগান পশ্যতি, সা পাটলম স্পৃশতি, স্পৃশতি মিনস টাচিং অ্যান্ড পাটলম মিনস রোজ, গোলাপ। ওকে, রোজ। সহ শুকম আনয়তি, শুকম মিনস প্যারট, হি ইজ ব্রিঙ্গিং দ্য প্যারট। রমেশः মোদকানি খাদতি, Ramesh is eating many laddus. Shikshika balike pustake jachati, that means teacher is giving 2 books to girls, to 2 girls. So Shikshika balike pustake jachati, jachati means giving. Okay, now see the question number 4. Mohan ate a mango, translated into Sanskrit. Okay, so Mohanah ate a mango, Mohanah amram khadati. The horse eats grass, asah ghasam charati. You can write asah ghasam khadati also. Okay, but actually we are telling that ghasam charati, that's why I am writing here asah ghasam charati. The girls sing sweet songs, balikaha modhuram gayanti. Okay, balikaha, why balikaha? Because girls, many are there. Okay, now it should be gitani. Okay, because songs are there, I not saw that time, so you have to write gitani also. Balikaha modhuram gitani gayanti. Next, they go to school, te vidyalayam gachanti. Radha touches 2 birds, Radha kalike sprishati. 2 birds na, that's why kalike. buds, birds means kalike, bud means bird means kalika, kalika kolike, 2, that's why kalike, like lata late. Now go to question number 5, next page. Okay, write the second ascending form of the given words. Here all are prathama vibhakti, you have to change into ditiya vibhakti. Okay, lata late lataha, latam late lataha, so plural form lataha, here also plural form lataha. Griham grihe grihani, ditiya vibhakti also griham grihe grihani, so both are same like this one. Next, masculine gender. Ashwaha aswav aswaha, ditiya vibhakti, asham aswav aswan, so aswam ashwaha ashwam, both are ekavachanam. Okay, prathama vibhakti and this one ditiya vibhakti. Now aswaha, lata late lataha, latam late lataha, sorry, it should be same only. Okay, like lata late lataha, latam late lataha, so both should be ambaha ambaha. Kurmoha kurmo kurmaha, and ditiya vibhakti kurmoha kurman kurme, sorry, kurmam kurmo kurman, kurmoh kurmo kurmaha, kurmam kurmo kurman, because both are plural form, so kurmaha and it should be kurman. This is prathama vibhakti, this one ditiya vibhakti, kurmam kurmo kurman. Okay, next one, bhavanam, neuter gender. Neuter gender very much easy because prathama vibhakti and ditiya vibhakti both are same. Bhavanam bhavane bhavanani, bhavanam bhavane bhavanani, so bhavanam bhavanam both are same. Now to see, correct the sentences by changing the forms of the underlined words. Okay, so you have to change those words which are the wrong. Which are the wrong? Which are the underlines? That one only wrong, you have to change it. Okay, Chhatraha shikshakaha namanti, you have to make it ditiya vibhakti because it is object, so shikshakaha plural form, so ditiya vibhakti bahuvachanam, shikshakaha shikshakam shikshako shikshakan, so shikshakan, chhatraha shikshakan namanti. Next one, taha vishalaha parvataha pashyanti, if it should be object then vishalam parvatam, so vishalam parvatam, taha vishalam parvatam pashyanti. Next one, balokaha tarokaha pashyanti. Okay, lata late lataha, latam late lataha, So lata late lataha, plural form, so prothama vibhakti lataha, and lotam lati lataha, this is also plural form, ditiya vibhakti also lataha. So both are same, so it should be tarokaha, correct only. So balokaha tarokaha pashanti, same it should be. Okay, correct only this one. Balikam mohesam nomoti. See, mohesam is object, but who is seeing the mohes? That one subject, am I right? That one karta, that means subject. Here balika is the subject. balika এখানে কর্তা, বালিকা মহেশকে প্রণাম করছে, ভগবান মহেশকে কে প্রণাম করছে? বালিকা প্রণাম করছে. So balika is bending to the god Mahesh, means Lord Shankar Mahesh. Okay, so who is doing? Balika. So this one definitely subject, this is not the object, it is subjective case. That means prothama vibhakti we have to apply. That's why balika mohesham nomoti, balika. Okay, prothama vibhakti we have to apply. Next, esa balika batika pashyati, this again object, so it should be like latam, so batikam, esa balika batikam pashyati. Next, mata madhuram modokani pachati. Okay, Madhuram modokani. Madhuram what? It is object. This is the Biseshan of the object. And Biseshan will follow this one only. This one plural. Then why it should be singular? It should be follow modokani. So Mata Madhurani modokani pachati. Mata Madhurani modokani pachati. Why Ana? Because before letter is Ra. That's why it should be Ana only. Okay. And up to this much only your CW. Okay, and please you can write this question number 3 here only. Okay, thank you and Hare Krishna.